What's good, guys? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I ordered stuff from amazon.co.uk that I want us to unbox. Check it out and see what is inside. JBL Go 3 Bluetooth portable speaker. So to open it up, you just need to pull it upwards. There we go. This is JBL Go 3 portable speaker. This speaker is for party. You can use it for travel and do a lot of things with a loop for easy traveling. And this speaker is waterproof and dust proof. And what is in here, you can see what it looks like. It's the speaker, and this is the information pack and C cable for charging. Quick start guide. I like the way they wrap all these things. So you switch this on and off from here. Let's see, and now I need to select Bluetooth for available Bluetooth device. See what it looks like, and you put the cable here to charge it up. So JBL Go 3 is a wireless Bluetooth portable speaker, 5 hours of play time, integrated loop for travel with AC USB-C charging in black. JBL Go 3 is a portable wireless speaker for pool, park, or on-the-go listening, thanks to its durable, waterproof construction and compact design. This mini Bluetooth speaker boasts JBL Pro sound, packing a loud punch and impressive bass, enabling you to carry the party in palm of your hand. This bold and stylish mobile speaker comes in a waterproof, dustproof design, complete with integrated loop that makes travel with tune easy and fun, no matter where you go. With up to 5 hours play time on single charge and Bluetooth 5.1 ensure connectivity with mobile device. JBL Go 3 speaker is for music lovers on the go. And what is inside, like you can see, is JBL Go 3 portable speaker in black, made with dust and waterproof material, with 1C type cable, quick start guide and safety sheet. So the quick start guide and safety sheet are in here. Okay, now the thing you need is you need to get adapter to put the cable to be able to charge this. Okay, so the way it goes, you need to put this on here, this spot here, put the cable inside adapter, okay, and put the cable inside and plug it into the power. Okay, and you can see a light here, JBL on the go. Brilliant stuff. And you can see from the top here, you see minus, okay, for you to decrease the volume, and plus is for you to increase the volume, and the center one is pause and play. So this is actually what is in here, and you switch it on and off from here. You select Bluetooth. Okay, connection for this gadget is Bluetooth connection. So to switch this on, for us to test the audio, we just need to switch this on here, and you can see the light, okay, and then the Bluetooth, and you can see now we need to look for available Bluetooth device. So go to your mobile phone and select the settings, go to connections. Now switch the Bluetooth on your mobile phone. Okay, and the Bluetooth is on. The next thing you need to do is you need to select the Bluetooth. Okay, then scroll down and look for this JBL Go 3. Here we go, JBL Go 3 is available. You need to select on it. Pair with JBL Go 3. Select pair. And it's connected. It's connected, and when you look on the light here, you see the Bluetooth light is steady white. It's no longer flashing. Now we're going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is music for content creator. This is the audio. This is for you to decrease the volume, increase the volume. Brilliant stuff.
about it. So if you know the song, sing it, 'cause I need it. Take me to a place where the music's loud. I don't wanna live right now. Flashing lights running through the crowd. I never wanna stop. So let's get out, let's get out. I got money in my pocket and I'm about to fucking drop it with you now. With you now. Tear the roof off every building. I know I'll be spending nights with you. Just tell me what you wanna do. So let's get out, let's get out. I got money in my pocket and I'm about to spend it all.
Just one glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me tonight? It's no secret, all my friends already know. There's no reason to hold it back, I let it show. All my feelings, are you thinking about me tonight? Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. I wanna do the things they say we shouldn't do. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. If I forget to peace and break the rules, I wanna wake up in the morning. Let me catch my breath. I'm feeling stuck, and I don't know which way to run. I'm on a single path, a one-way road, and I can't take it anymore. I started out to stop it, stop it, stop it. I'm done with feeling lonely, lonely, lonely. I know it's more than working, working, working. So go ahead and show me now. I wanna wake up and I won't say another lessons learned. Of course you're gonna leave as soon as you came across who I am not. This party sucks, I'm out of luck, and no one seems to get me here. They talk about some old stuff that I don't even want to hear. The crazy part is that I didn't feel this way before I got here. I wanna be somebody, hanging with somebody. Can I be somebody, dancing with somebody? I wanna be somebody, yeah.
Brilliant. This is beautiful stuff. Nice, powerful speaker that deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed. This is